Hi everyone, welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. Today, my husband and I are driving from Los Angeles to San Diego. It is about a 2-hour drive, and this weekend we are going to a music festival called Crossed. This is our second time going to this festival. We went earlier this year when it was cold and rainy, and this weekend it is supposed to be 74 degrees Fahrenheit and sunny. So completely different weather and much more pleasant. We are going to make a pit stop to get some lunch, and I am really craving Indian food. There is a kind of healthy Indian food restaurant close to San Diego, so we'll stop there before we check in to our hotel. We are staying from Saturday until Monday, and it's only 2 nights, so I don't have too much packed. I will be bringing my carry-on luggage for the weekend. Maybe some of you think that this is a lot to bring for 2 nights and 3 days, but this is actually pretty compact for me. I'm also bringing my drone, of course, my vlogger camera. This is my daily herbs. I'm bringing a see-through bag because that is the requirement for the festival. I'm bringing my laptop so that I can edit at night. Also, if you wouldn't mind to hit like and subscribe, I would so appreciate it. It helps me to know that you are enjoying my content, and it keeps me motivated to continue posting videos for you. I hope that you are learning some English from my videos as well as my shorts. So if you haven't checked them out, please do so. I try to post 2 shorts videos every day, and I am doing that for you guys. So thank you for all of your support. We made it to San Diego, and we've stopped at the Indian restaurant. We are going to have some Indian food. It's around 5 o'clock right now, so kind of an early dinner, but we didn't eat lunch. The name of the restaurant is called Greenhouse, and we both got a plate. But you can see that they have other options here, such as pizza, tacos, burgers, and wraps. We also got 2 drinks. The strawberry smoothie, which has fresh strawberry, cucumber, oat, and coconut milk and coconut water. I think that was them telling us that the order is ready. We also got the 12-element brew, which has herbal tea with peppermint, turmeric, fennel, ginger, cinnamon, carom seeds. I have no idea what that is. Ooh. Here's our plates. I got paneer, which is cheese. My husband got chicken. And here's our drinks. I can't wait to try this food. I grew up with a lot of Indian people, so I think I have a pretty good judgment as to what tastes authentic. We got to choose different sauces. I got the masala sauce, which is the most popular. Pretty good. I would say I think it has a strong tomato base. Let's try the paneer. That's pretty good. I love basmati rice. And it also came with a fresh salad. Bon appetit! We just finished the Indian food and I was very underwhelmed despite the high reviews and ratings that I saw on Google. I think next time we will be eating real, authentic Indian food, not the healthy version of it. We are now on the way to the hotel. It should only be about a 15-minute drive. So hopefully it's a little bit scenic. That way I can give you a little tour of San Diego. We've made it to downtown San Diego. I'm so excited. I feel like I've been in the car for a long time. We are approaching the water. There are a lot of attendees walking across the street. Let me show you. We made it to the hotel. We're in the process of checking in. That's my husband standing in line. And we saw a lot of the concert goers or attendees crossing the street. And we're super excited because we're only a 5-minute walk to the venue. My husband brought his bike and he's going to be cycling through the streets of San Diego tomorrow morning. Oh, look at the cute dog. We are fully checked into our room and the front desk was kind enough to give us a waterfront view. So the venue is a little north of here, just about a 5 to 7 minute walk. It's a beautiful day out today. There's a few sailboats in the water. You can see there's one right there. There are hotel guests swimming in the pool. There's a little garden, some high-rise buildings, a little bonfire pit, some guests enjoying the view and having a nice conversation. And this parking lot, I believe, is for the port. Actually, yes, I'm correct. It says Port of San Diego. I just put a little bit of makeup on. My husband is coming back from the car. And I wanted to show you the jacket that I'm wearing because we got it the last time we came to this festival. House and techno. Pretty nice view. I'm not sure if that is a cruise ship or a yacht. We got some people playing, or I should say dribbling, the soccer ball.